Vision Plus by Formula Systems package comprises of a single set of 2D/3D receiver and transmitter curtains of light, complete with universal mounting options. A universal power supply can also be supplied where required. The simplicity of our combined technology in a single unit will have a significant improvement on the ease of installation and overall cost. Only curtains of light to be installed, no cutting or patching required, no permits required, no tricky calibration or costly setup, as Vision Plus is self-calibrating on installation. After receiving your Vision Plus product, please check the packaging is undamaged and that the product is suitable for use. There are two Vision Plus products, FZU1442 for standard door sizes and FZU1342 for narrower apertures between the car and landing door. Stop. Before installation of your Vision Plus curtain of light, ensure you have the correct instructions applied with the product to hand and the appropriate tools for the installation. The Vision Plus light curtains must be positioned correctly, including orientation and alignment. The transmitter is marked TX and the receiver is marked RX. They need to be installed inside the elevator door, left and right, when viewed on the landing from outside of the cab. A label indicating direction is attached to the Vision Plus unit for correct positioning. Once correctly orientated, the Vision Plus light curtains are installed in the same way as any standard 2D curtain of light. With the elevator doors open, confirm the green LED is on and also confirm the red LED is off. When conducting the power light test, do not stand within the 3D detection area, as this will activate the curtain of light 3D detection technology as required by ASME A17.1 2022 code. Standing in front of the elevator doors, break the 2D beams with your foot or arm and confirm the red LED is shown on the receiver curtain of light. When in front of the elevator doors, confirm the receiver red LED is off. Then move out of the 3D detection area and whilst outside of the area, break the 2D beams by placing an arm through the 2D detection zone. Once the 2D beam has been broken, move on to the non-detection area and wait for 5 seconds. The delay reset will then happen and you should then approach the doors at normal walking speed, entering the detection area ahead of the leading edge of the door to ensure the installation is correct.